opening up to this video. You are welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, please press the subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification so that anytime I send a video, you'll be the first person to get them. My name is Adom and I'm a physical educator, and in this video we are going to learn a little on hydration. Even as we go through a daily workout, you'll get to know the importance of being hydrated and how it will help us in our daily workout. Okay, so the first thing we are going to explain is what hydration really is. So hydration is the process of replacing water in the body. So basically, when you replace the water you've lost in the body, you are hydrated. And this can be done through drinking water, coconut water, or taking in foods that contain a lot of water content. Okay, if you eat food that have high water content, you also get hydrated. And being dehydrated basically is when your body lacks the water necessary to function optimally. So it's always good to get hydrated. Okay. Okay, so in order to get hydrated, you need to take in a lot of fluids, a lot of water, so that you will always be hydrated. And there has been a lot of opinions of researchers on the amount of water to take in a day. But basically, health authorities recommend that we take at least 2 liters of water. That is the least you should take in a day to get hydrated. That is 8 glasses 8 times a day, and it's the 8 times 8 rule, so that you don't forget 8 times 8, that is, you get close to 2 liters. So if you take 8 glasses 8 times a day, you are good to go. That is the least you should take in a day to get hydrated. Okay. And some of the questions people ask is, how do I know I am hydrated? How do I determine if I am really hydrated? If my body has the fluid it's needed to work optimally? So some basic signs to know you are hydrated is how you often visit the washroom. Yeah, how you often visit the washroom to ease out some urine and all. And when you are really hydrated, the color of your urine is very clear. It's light yellow, and it's not that deep yellow. Okay, your urine has to be light yellow or almost clear, and that yes, you have more fluids in your body. And then you have to visit the washroom like 5 to 8 times in a day. Yes, at least 5 to 8 times in a day. People drink more, so they go to the washroom more. But the least you have to do is to drink more water and visit the washroom 5 to 8 times a day. And when you do this, you would know that yes, you are hydrated. So hydration and daily workouts, how do we balance it? So generally, your body depends on water to survive. Every cell, tissue, organ in the body function properly when you are hydrated. Okay, when you are hydrated, the organs and cells and tissues get to function properly. For example, your body uses water to maintain its temperature. So trust me, it's always a good thing to be hydrated. And drinking a lot of water actually prevents muscle cramping. You know, when you're working out, you're working on your muscles and all. So when you are hydrated, it prevents muscle cramping, and then it helps your muscle to work harder, work for a longer time before you actually get tired. And then it actually lubricates your joints. Okay, when you are hydrated, your joints get lubricated so that they can move freely and easily and prevent injuries when you are working out. So it's very good to always stay hydrated when you are working out so that it would prevent this petty injuries in your daily workout. Yeah, so what good hydration actually means is getting enough water in your body before, during, and after your everyday workout. You have to stay hydrated in every day so that you won't get tired easily and you won't get pains and injuries even as you work out every day. Okay? So good hydration is always getting hydrated before, during, and after your workout. Okay, so always make sure you rehydrate after every exercise to replace the fluids you've lost through sweat when you are exercising or doing your workout. So make sure you always hydrate after every exercise, every workout you do. So some intake of water you can do before, during, and after exercises. 30 minutes before, 30 minutes or more before you exercise. You should take in some amount of water, between 100 to 250 ml of water before you go through your workout. Make sure 30 minutes before you take, at least 30 minutes before you take in some fluid before you go through the workout. And then during the workout, when you work out for about 15 minutes, you go back and take in some fluid, still between 100 to 250 ml, you take in some fluid. And then you come back to do your exercise again. And then when you are done with the workout, you take in some fluid to still get hydrated. Okay. So it's always good to get hydrated before, during, and after your workout. When your workout is less than 15 minutes, yes, you can do the workout after that you go back and get hydrated. So some basic tips to help you get hydrated all the time. Yes, you have to be hydrated, trust me. So some basic tips you need to get hydrated every time. The first one is, don't wait till you are thirsty before you drink water. Drink water anytime, anywhere. Remember the 8 times 8 rule. 8 glasses of water 8 times a day, and that is the least you can take. So drink water every time, anywhere, and don't wait till you feel thirsty before, or you get hiccups before you drink water. Drink water every time, anywhere. And the second one is taking more fruits and vegetables. They'll really help you get hydrated. Taking more fruits and vegetables. Fruits that have higher water content and all. Yeah. And the third one is, when you go to a restaurant, make sure you drink water before you order for your food. So before your food will come, you would have taken in water already. And when you're home and you're about to eat, make sure you drink some water before you eat. And the last one, but not the least, is always drink fluid or water before, during, and after your daily workout. Thank you for watching this video. My name has always been Adom. Please leave your comments, every comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, give your comments and likes and everything. God bless you for watching this video. I love you and I know you love me. Yeah, I know. Ciao, ciao.